Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by raising the wiper arms and inspecting blades closely. Look for cracks, hardened rubber, or a quarter-inch gaps that cause stutter. Once done, clean the windshield with a dedicated glass cleaner and microfiber. This removes grit that drags blades. Also check arm tension and pivot bolts for rust or looseness, because worn tension alters sweep pressure. If anything looks suspect, mark it now. You will replace or adjust parts in the next steps to stop juddering. Now you either replace the blades or perform precise adjustments. If blades are older than 6 to 12 months, replace them. New rubber restores contact. Then adjust arm tension. Loosen, reposition, and tighten pivot bolts to the manufacturer's torque so pressure is even across the sweep. Replace any worn springs or link joints that let the arm flap. If the sweep angle is wrong, bend the arm gently to correct by 1 to 3 degrees. This improves blade contact and reduces judder. Finish by testing the system at low, medium, and high speeds with washer fluid applied. Watch for skipping, chattering, or streaks. If judder persists, switch to silicone blades which glide better in cold or oily conditions, and recheck arm alignment. Small corrections matter. Should noise or irregular motion continue, inspect the motor linkage and replace worn components. One troubleshooting tip: if problems only occur when wet, hard water or wax residue is the likely culprit. Deep clean the glass and blades, then retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.